Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today video I want to show you how you can creating your NFC antenna from scratch. You see, like here, when you select this antenna, you see this one. Sometimes you see this capacitor, and then this one is NFC antenna, but you don't know how you can create it, right? You don't know how you see this one is a USB, and you know the NFC card, many NFC card, you know, this one is the NFC card, or this one, all of them is NFC card, you know, this time, everywhere you have to use NFC card. Even there is you can look the PCB business, card, you see all of them, they creating the antenna here, like this one. Look, this one, you see here they creating the antenna. So you see, you can look this one, but you don't know how you can know how you can measure the size of the antenna, because they have to measure the when you go here, let's go here to check the specification of this antenna, I think. And because you need to know the inductance, you need to know the size of the wave clouds you're going to use. You have to use the st.com, right? st.com. You have to visit st.com, and then it's the st.com, and then you go here, you go down, and then you go to the you see, and then you go to the EST tools in software, then you go to design suite, right? Open it. You see, and then you go here on FC FID calculation, and then you have to go here, because we need to calculating the inductance. Just you don't see like, oh, this guy using we have to calculating this thing like 1 2 3 4 5 6. This one they using 8 tons. You don't know how they calculating. They don't know. You don't know the size, you don't know the inductance, you don't know everything. So everything, as the PCB designer, you have to calculating everything, right? So go here to start. And then you see here you have to put in the, like this guy, they're using 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can put in like 6, and then you have to set I'm setting the 6 here, number of turns, see 1 2 3, and then like the width, the length, putting 80 and 40. It's okay. And then you see you have 4 point something. Like when sometimes you need the impedance of 1 point something, you have to put the 1.3. No, 2. No, 4. Yes, 3 is okay. I'm getting 4. And the ohms, see 13.56. You see the order how you can creating the another thing you have to change, when you're tracking, you're tracing the wire in the PCB design. You have to know the space, the width, and the space between the track and the width, in the thickness. This thickness is a 3.35 um. It's like, when you see in the PCB design, it's 1/2, and this one is okay. And then you have to check, like you have to put it 0.8, and the space between 0.8. Yeah, it's changed. You see, when you put like 1, you see, for me, I prefer to choose when I'm looking on the GIC PCB, the capacity was so that it's like, let me check, GRC PCB capacity, capability, and then you open this one. And you have to check NFC. Is here, on the coil. When the track width is the minimum is 0.15. When the track is covered by solder mask, and it's 1 OZ, means this one is the same as the one I show you. This one, SAT5 this one is the same like this one, 1 OZ. And if the track is not covered by soldering mask, you see it's like this one is soldered by soldering mask, and this one is not covered by soldering mask. It's like when you have the soldering direct, but this one, you see, they have pin. You can soldering on this pin, you cannot soldering everywhere. You see here the minimum is 0.2. so you see here are using 0.6 is too much. It's okay. And then you can change about this one according to the inductance you want, depending on your antenna you have to design. So, and then after this one, after to know the inductance, you have to know the I don't think you have to make sure the more turns is not good, like 10 times 8 or below is a better. But sometimes you need like on the when I try to make the business card, I was using the 5 point something like that, so I need to use like 8. So because I getting the 5.8 point something, because when you need to use the business card, you need high inductance. So but in turns below 10 is okay on my view. So I think you learned something important. If you like it, press like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share and please comment if you have any question.